What's up, art lovers? I am Nirma, and in today's tutorial we will be painting this miniature acrylic painting of yummy cupcake. So grab your paintbrushes and colors. Let's get started. So check out my description box for the materials used. Okay? So this sheet measures roughly around 3.5 by 3.5 centimeter. So I'll be loading my flat brush with black acrylic color, and this will be our background of the sheet. Okay, totally with black color. And once again adding the black color for the background. So here it is. Now I'm going to take white color with the same brush and filling the sheet when it is wet with the white color, so that the black mixed with white gives gray color. Okay, so whatever I have applied as black, that should not dry if you are doing this thing. Okay, suppose if it is dry, what you can do is that mix black with white in a palette, then apply to the 1/4 of the sheet. Okay, so here it goes. So this is our background. I have taken burnt sienna color and I am drawing the outline of the cupcake. Okay, so here it goes. And one more thing, I'm using here 00 round brush. Okay, next I'm mixing this burnt sienna with a little bit of tint. So it gives a lighter version of the color. As there will be some kind of wrinkles on the bottom outer cover of the cupcake, so we'll be doing that too. Now for the upper part, I am going to take the burnt sienna with a little bit of black, very small amount of black. Okay, so that you get a darker version of the brown. So here it goes. So I'm using that same darker version of the brown to the bottom of the cupcake. So burnt sienna with a little bit of black will give you the darker version of the brown color. Oops, it is more of black, so I'm just adding a bit of my mixed darker version of the color of brown. So now I'm taking the crimson red mixed with white. Okay, so this will be the topper version of the cupcake. So I'm using crimson red mixed with white, so that will give the pink color. So now any color mixed with white will give you the lighter version of the color. So as I said that I will be doing some kind of thick textured miniature acrylic painting. So when you touch this painting you can feel it on hand, a little bit. It's not that flat. So I'm taking the crimson red color and drawing the cherry at the top. Here it goes. So until you get a desired output of the painting, you just keep on doing it, layer, layer, layer. That's what it matters. Okay? And as usual, don't be afraid. Oh, I don't know what this insect was thinking. Just popped in. So I'm using a bit of white color to get some highlights. Okay? I'm using a bit of chrome yellow color to get the lighter shade in the bottom of the cupcake. So there is three parts of cupcake basically. One is that cup, okay? Another one is that filling. You know what I mean? That brown color below the pink color. Okay? I don't know how to tell that. And next will come this creamish, that this pinkish color. Then upon that there will be a cherry. Oh, so totally there will be a four layers. Excluding the cherry, it will be 3 layers. That's it. So the bottom of the cupcake, as there will be some kind of wrinkles, we'll be just trying to get it out by playing with the darker version of the brown as well as the chrome yellow color, as well as a very very little bit of black also. So I'm using a bit of yellow and green color for the cherry. I'm really sorry, I don't know what to tell. Okay. I just love cupcakes. Oh, once again, I think this insect is thinking that this is a real cupcake or something. Just imagine. Oops. So I'm taking now chrome yellow color and trying to get the shades for the wrinkles in the cupcake. Okay. Don't be afraid. Don't worry that initially when it looks so ugly, don't be afraid. Just go on. That's fine. Initially it may not look so good, but when you just complete it out, layer and layer it out, it will really look very good. Just you have to have a faith. So now I am going to take a very lighter version. Uh-oh. This insect has gone crazy. So as you can see, the highlight is on the left side. There will be a shadow on the right side. Okay, so the left part will be a bit lighter, as I was not that okay with the color of the bottom part of the cupcake. I'm slightly playing around with the bottom part of the cupcake. Okay, so I'm just taking black and putting it alternatively. I've taken a very lighter version of the brown, as well as I'm mixing that with the brown color. Now I've taken the black color and I'm just putting the base of that that brown part of the cupcake. See, now it's getting into some kind of shape, I can say, right? So that's what you have to just keep on having faith with yourself while painting. Just do it. Practice, practice, and practice. That is the only uh, mantra I can say, which will improve your artistic skills. So I'm taking now white color to add some highlights to the left side. Okay, that's it. I'm just playing around with the pinkish part of the cupcake. And giving some darker shade for the shadow. So here it is, our beautiful little cupcake. So I'm fine with it. Now I'm just stopping by and signing it. So I love my yummy cupcake. Just feel like eating it. Mm. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Artlovers and peace. Namaste.